Hello, welcome to Ekidel, where we train future civil and structural engineers. My name is Fashe Ochet. Today, we want to learn how we can load our slab. And looking at this structure, we want to use this one as example of a shopping mall. Last time, we have done a video on how to load your slab when it comes to residential and hostels. And at the same time, we have also done video on how to load your slab on shopping plaza. So, and we have also said it, that the difference between shopping plaza and shopping mall. So we have done video on how to load your slab when it comes to shopping plaza. So today, we want to see how to load your slab when it comes to your shopping mall. As I always said, that if you model very well and you design very well, but yet your loading is strong, it can still lead to what? To collapse. So to avoid that, that is why in Ekidel, we want to show you how you can load your slab when it comes to your shopping mall. So looking at this structure, we want to use it as what? As example to show you how to load your shopping mall. In case you have not subscribed to Ekidel channel, I will say that you should please do so that you can have access to our subsequent videos. We have done a lot of videos when it comes to structural designs. So therefore, let's see how this shopping mall can be loaded different from how you load your shopping plaza. So thank you. Let's go there. And also I want to say, like this video. All right, let's see how to load slab when it comes to shopping mall. All right, welcome back. Now, as we have said, we want to see how to load your slab when it comes to shopping mall. Looking at where we normally load our slab, you discover that there's no place there that is being written shopping mall. So many times you get confused on what load are you going to use for your shopping mall. That is why in Ekidel we want to show you how to load your slab based on the structure you are designing for. So now on this one, we want to see how we can load our slab. All these ones have been loaded. So we want to see how this slab can be loaded. So let's go there and see how to go about it. So therefore, you click on your on your concrete member. You don't have to load your to slab. So from here, from this place is 150, isn't it? So we are talking of 150. So I'm using 150 because a lot of things when you consider when it comes to your choice of slab depth. But for this one, since it's still within BS code, is I'm making it 150. That's my panel now, is within the BS code. So therefore, my depth is 150. So let's look at my loading now, where we are now going to. Now, looking at this loading here. So when it comes to dead load, your dead load is all about your finishing loads. And whereas we are talking about your terrazzo and maybe your ties and all of those things. So and that one is let's make it we can say 1.2, and your partition load 2 plus the 0. Which is 0.5. That makes 1.2 plus 0.5, which is your partition load. That makes 1.7, isn't it? So, but this video from architectural drawing, you discover that there are a lot of finishings. When you have discussed with your architect and you discover there are a lot of finishing, then you can now make your dead load to be To be 1.5 plus your finishing load. Your finishing load, which is 0.5. And if you now add 1.5 plus 0.5, that makes that makes 2. Are we together? 2. But for this one, it's just I'm using my finishing load as 1.2, then plus 0.5, which is your partition load. That makes 1.7. Are we together? 1.7. That's my finishing load here. Now, that's for dead load. Now, where many people get confused again is at this point where we have imposed load, which is your life load. So when you click on this place, I will now try to look along all these. You are trying to check all through. You discover that there's no place here where shopping mall is being mentioned. The highest you can see is what we call shopping area. So you can see it here, shopping area. So here you now be thinking, which one are you going to use that will fit in based on what we are designing? But the reason why we are choosing all of these is because there are some imposed load that are not being mentioned here. For those that have been mentioned here, you don't need to do any video on that. All you need to do is to enter your accurate dead load and then come here and pick any of the structure you are designing for. So, but this one we are doing is because they are not being mentioned here, and many times you get confused on which one to actually choose when it comes to your shopping mall or shopping plaza. So that is how we have explained the difference between shopping mall and shopping plaza. Shopping mall is always a busy place compared to shopping plaza. Shopping plaza is a place where people just come, maybe just sell their shoes, just put their things, you come and buy and go and all of that. But shopping mall is always busy. It's always busy. So from here, anytime you want to design for shopping mall, which impulse load are you going to pick? That's what we are talking about now. So anytime you want to design for shopping mall, what I say, want to design for shopping mall, the right impulse load to choose is the one that is showing what? Shopping area. This is now. This shopping area is meant for shopping mall, not for shopping plaza. Altogether, it's not meant for what? Shopping plaza. So you use this one as what? As shopping mall. Are we together? So that is that. So now I'll do what? I will click. So, but before I click, I also want to say that we are going to produce video on church, on how to load your slab when it comes to church. As you can see here, there's no church here. Do you see church or mosque? There's no church, there's no mosque. Then how do you load your slab when it comes to when you are designing for church or you are designing for what? For mosque? All of these will also be looked into. So that one will come on next video to show you how you can load your slab when it comes to what? Your church or your mosque. So looking at this place, you can maybe see a general assembly area. This is quite much. This one is quite much. It's quite much. So that is that. So which one to use, then we will get to know when we are producing that video. So for now, based on this video, I'm going to click on the shopping area. That serves as my what? Your shopping mall. So that's what I'm going to click around. That is that. So you can see it now. So you can see it. So my dead load, I've explained dead load and also which one to pick when it comes to live load, which is the impulse load on what? On your shopping mall. So what I will do now is to begin to do what? To click on this. So I begin to click on my slab. I begin to click. This is a passage. I get this is a staircase also. Yes, it's a staircase. So I click on this. Sorry, I click on this. Click on this. This one is staircase. I also click on this. Also on this. Also on this staircase. Also on no, it's not staircase. Okay, I click on this. So this one, this place is staircase. So also on this. Also on this. Then also this one, okay, it's also a staircase. No, it's not a staircase passage. Okay, so now this is it. So this is how to load your what? Your slab when it comes to shopping mall. So that is that. And not only that, I want to say that in Ekidel, we have what we call Ekidel mentorship class, whereby we train beyond just the video. Like if you look at this video, we are concentrating on how to load your slab, isn't it? But when it comes to the other things we'll have said, but because this is a video, free video online, accurate, because this is a live project. So we are still on this project. So since we are concentrating on how to load your slab, that is why we are teaching you on how to load slab. So, but in Ekidel mentorship class, in that place, we do what? We give you everything that you need to do what? To know. So that's why we advise you to enroll on Ekidel channel. Ekidel mentorship class. So at the same time, I want to say, this video, I believe it has benefited you. I want to say that also invite other engineers who want to be good in structural designs. It's very, very important. And we also have Ekidel group whereby other engineers comes together that in the course of design, for example, if I'm designing this structure, I face a particular challenge, I can quickly post it on Ekidel group. And before you know it, other engineers will respond and help me solve the problem. And I come to this place and solve it. Likewise, if you have the same challenge, it's what you can post and other engineers will attend to you. And not only that, if other people post a question and it's what you have answer to, why not you also post it? Because in Ekidel we don't hide our knowledge, because we are looking for a way to make this world a better place to be when it comes to engineering. So thank you very much. God bless you till I see you in other videos on how to load your slab when it comes to church or mosque. Thank you very much and God bless you. We're also going to look at what about school. We're also going to look at school, how to load your slab when it comes to school, because in this place where we have our slab, sorry, let me show you where we have our slab. You see, there's no school. If you look at it, there's nothing like school. So these are the things we want to show you. But all this one that we already have there, we don't need to do any video on that, because once you have done your modeling and it comes to your slab loading, you just come to this place and pick. But those ones that are not mentioned here, that's what we want to show you in Ekidel, how to make use of this, because all this one can be used for any of those things. As you have seen, that when it comes to shopping mall, this is what we use. But here, there's nothing like shopping mall. And you actually will design and tell you that is what is shopping mall. And actually, we also design and tell you what shopping plaza. So which one do you now pick? So that's why we are doing this video. So thank you very much and God bless you till I see you next time in our video that will be talking about how to load your slab when it comes to church or mosque, and other ones will talk about how to load your slab when it comes to school. Thank you very much. God bless you. So as you can see, so this is it. So till I see you in other videos. Bye.